Look what showed up finally after about a month. Okay, there we go. That's what I want to see. So these are the ones that I got, the Rally Asphalt ones. Hopefully they are good, at least an improvement from what I have. Alright, so we're gonna put them on. Jack the car up, you know the drill. So now we've got the tire off. Take these three out and these two. For me, these are 13s because of the different camber plate. And these, I believe, are 17s. Is shitty, not shitty. Okay boys, so we got a little problem. Since we're up higher, now we rub on the fender a little bit. So I'm gonna take them off and later on I'll cut them. But it just seems like right there is where we rub. Back here seems good. Up top, we got a lot of room. Oh my god, dude, I look JDM as fuck. Dude, that's so bad. It looks very bad. Alright, well I guess this will stay.
Big photo.
And then I'll just get rid of this.
That's not bad.
Just a little snipperoo. And they sort of, it's all exposed. At least the copper's not exposed. But okay, so now the other side apparently isn't rubbing, so we should be good. So for the rears, you just got to take off top two right there, and then this bottom one right here, this bolt there. Take that out, and then it just slides right out, and should be good. Be careful when taking this one out because the shock may shoot down. You never know, so just be aware of that. Alright, so now that I got the rears set up how I wanted, tightened the height and the spring rate, whatever, made the spring not move around anymore. Now we can put them on. I still gotta take the other one off, but we'll throw this on and then we'll do a little test drive. And I'm excited. Okay guys, we got them both in. Looking good, looking way better than, well, the stock ones are back here. But those piece of shits, I put the camber plates that came with my new coilovers on here because I have Techno Toy tuning ones that I really like and were a lot of money, so those are staying, and those Tyne ones are gonna go right up on Offroad. Okay guys, so now she's on her wheels. She's got coilovers all four corners, so we're all good. So now let's go take it for a drive. Dampening wise, I don't know why it felt a little weird. I don't know how to describe it. It felt like I hit a bump when there was no bump. I've owned coilovers with dampening adjustable. So my strategy was, alright, I want a smooth ride, so I'm gonna go all the way soft and then go progressively stiffer if I need to. So that's the plan. I'm gonna stiffen up the rears a little bit, go around again, and see how that feels. See if maybe I need to stiffen the fronts up. If I do, stiffen them up and call it good. Oh man, yeah, definitely need to stiffen them up. That was interesting. Or maybe the spring needs readjusting. I don't know, it's hard to tell. Like, this is my first coilovers, like actual. The Tyne ones that I had were sort of shitty. They were $100 off Offroad. So I was like, alright, why not? So this is where we learn. And learning I am. Today I just wanted to get them on. I'll mess around with them tomorrow, and you guys will come along with me, because this is going to be a learning experience. The only other person I know with coilovers is Frank with the Civic, and so hopefully get some advice from him, even though his setup is totally different from where I want to go. Anyways, I'll mess with them tomorrow. Right now I think I'm pretty satisfied getting them in. Adjusting them's real easy, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, so I'm a happy camper. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment down below what you guys think of the coilovers. Do they look cool? I think they look cool. The ride needs some work, but luckily they're adjustable, so there, we can work with that. But yeah, and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.